Hi everyone, Ella's Kitchen have asked me to share some of my top tips for when it comes to weaning. It can be really confusing when you're looking at what high chair to buy, especially when you see ones that have reclining seats and loads of different functions. My advice would be to just go for a really basic high chair that you know is easy to clean, particularly ones where the covers can go in the washing machine and the tray can go in the dishwasher. Something you can collapse easily when you need it out of the way. Second top tip, make sure you've got a plastic mat under the high chair. It's just so much easier to put that in the washing machine than spend all day trying to scrape Weetabix off your floor. So my third tip is to try and make sure that your little one sees the high chair as somewhere really fun to be. Before you start weaning, try and get them in the high chair so that they can get used to the feel of it, how to sit there, and maybe put some toys down, even some pretend food so they can play about with it and get used to the experience. As for my next tip, there's no such thing as having too many bibs, and also some fabric washable reusable wipes to help the environment. My last top tip is that there's loads of great recipes out there, things that you can make for your little one. Sometimes the weaning process can be quite stressful, especially if you spent a long time making something and your little one just wants to throw it on the floor or smear it all across their face or in their hair. But if they're having fun, then that's great. Try and enjoy it, try and have fun, and good luck.